Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we have 61-cent Gillette Satin Care Shave Gel over at Walgreens. This is an in-store deal, meaning you gotta do it in store. Oh my gosh, really good deal. So we're looking specifically for this $3.49 shave gel. And it has the tag, buy one, get one 50% off. And if it's tagged that way, it's part of the promotion of buy two, get back a $4 register reward. So very easy, grabbing two of those at the register, it's going to ring up, buy one, get one 50% off for $5.23. So you can either roll $5 in Walgreens cash if you wish, or you can use like a register reward if you have it. Whatever, you're doing this sort of stuff with a no booster deal. You'll pay $1.23 for two, or 61 cents per can. And again, it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but we haven't had like a deal this cheap on shaving cream in a really long time, or shave gel. So like I would try and make this happen. Now, alternatively, if you can only find one can, you can always grab like a cheaper one and a more expensive one. Now, typically what'll happen is the one that's lesser of the two will ring up 50% off. So, obviously the Venus Ladies for $3.99 is probably the way to go. The men's one is what, $4.49, a little bit more. So alternatively, if you can grab like the cheaper one, which is the Satin Care, and then one of the Venus with Olay, that actually seems kind of glorious. Grabbing one of each, again, the cheaper one will ring up 50% off. It would be $5.73. Get back your $4 register reward. It makes it $1.73 for the two, or 86 cents per can. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. 86 compared to 61 cents. You choose how you want to do the deal. I'm going to also let you know that if you wanted to get like, say 4 cans, you'd have to break it up into 2 separate transactions, as that $4 register reward will only print once per transaction. Now I have you guys in the store. I'm going to recommend that you moonwalk down that candy aisle where they have all the candy, not self-checkout, but the actual candy aisle. And there's this, they have those theater size boxes of candy, and they also have the XL Kit Kats, so these big mamas, 87 cents. Unfortunately, somebody cleared all of them out, and I wouldn't have bought them anyhow for type 2 diabetic here, probably shouldn't have it. So I would just leave them all there at that price. It's a different thing if it was, they were giving them all away, but that's not the case. And it is the ones that are 4.3 ounces, so they are quite sizable. So definitely look down that candy aisle in case the prices have changed on some of these items. This True Skin Retinol, for the longest time it wasn't clearance in my area, and then it finally hit clearance. And why this is a great item to pick up, and it's the retinol one only. Somebody just put the retinol everywhere in this one store, and I'm not even going to question it. It's $6.29, so don't be shy to ask for a price check too. You can always ask an employee for that. We have a $5 digital coupon, so it would make this $1.29. I know that IBOTTA has a rebate as well, but I think that rebate excludes the use of a digital coupon. I don't want any of you guys to get in trouble with IBOTTA, which has happened quite a bit lately. Alternatively, there's also a $4 digital that you can use. It would make it $2.29 for one of these bottles of retinol. And I know this is a hot product a lot of people really like to use. It helps with just overall skin wellness, or for wrinkles and that sort of stuff. So yeah, definitely be on the lookout for this. Now, before I take off, I just want to show you guys one thing. I was at Meijer last weekend. Look at that massive 4-in-1. This guy is $5.49. I left it at the store because I'm like, I get it cheaper at Walgreens. But for some sort of a novelty like this one, or those massive rolls of Charmin that they were doing back in 2020, would you actually buy this, or would you just leave it at the store? That's a massive roll. Like, it seems like a lot, but my fear that if I would bring it into my house, my husband would just start using more of it because it's such a massive roll. And I'm like, oh, we can't have that. We got to ration out our paper towel because I have some issues. But would you buy this for $5.49? No digital coupon, no nothing. And Meijer's the only store I saw it at. I also live rural, so I'm just curious. Would you buy this? That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.